Hello, I am Shivi and I am going to talk about our work Emotion-Color Association in biologically inspired deep neural networks. We studied an association between emotions and colors. We considered 6 emotion-color pairs, choosing the first 5 for our work. We study whether object recognition DNNs can show implicit associations in these pairs. We design a DNN-based computation model to predict observations from a psychophysics study. The designed experiment looked like this. A grayscale image and 5 colors were shown. Participants had to select a color for the given image. To model probabilities, we present 2 methods. In method 1, we start with extracting features from a DNN hidden layer for the image as well as the color. Then we calculate cosine similarities between the 2 features. We repeat this for the remaining 4 colors. Then we normalize the 5 similarity values to make them add up to 1, and these give the predicted probabilities. In method 2, we first start with the previous method as shown. But instead of using raw features, we add a linear layer in between. So finally, we calculate similarities between transformed features extracted to give the output probabilities. Now we see the correspondence between the computation models and psychophysics data through 2 metrics. 1. We find correlation scores between predicted and experiment probabilities. 2. We evaluate models' ability of categorizing images into 5 emotion classes. The models do not undergo any task-specific training, and the predicted class is the emotion associated with the color with maximum similarity. Results for the correlation scores are as shown. The R-scores for the 2 methods presented for different DNN models. The raw similarity-based model shows moderate correlation scores, and the scores increase with transformed similarities. R-scores for the first model for wrongly labeled colors. The R-score reduces for the wrong color sequences. For the emotion classification task, we considered 2 classes as true labels. Human predictions, which is emotion associated to the color selected most frequently in the experiment, and actual classes, which are the emotion labels from the original dataset. The tabulated results show the accuracies for 4 models compared with chance accuracy. The first 2 models are based on the 2 methods presented, and the next 2 models are standard classification models taking the true class labels as human predictions and actual classes respectively. The classification accuracy of even the raw features model is significantly better than chance. The transformed features model improves this score and performs even better than standard classification models, even though those were trained to classify into these specific classes. So finally, we saw that raw features show low moderate correlations. Transforming the features improve the score significantly. Wrongly labeled color sequences give very small R-scores. DNNs without being trained for it show an emotion-color association. We hypothesize that emotion-color association is not random, it involves some cognitive phenomena and possibly depends on the natural image statistics. Though this claim is not very strong, but it is a good basis for future work. Thank you.